A supply chain is an integrated network consisting of an organization, its suppliers, transportation companies, and brokers used to deliver goods and services to customers. Supply chain management, or SCM, is the process of working with suppliers and other partners in the supply chain to improve procedures and ensure excellent service. Functions include procuring materials, transforming materials into intermediate and finished products or services, and distributing finished products or services to customers. In a manufacturing firm's SCM system, communication takes place among the following areas: managing the movement of goods all the way from suppliers to customers, including customer service and support; overseeing order transmissions and delivery status updates throughout the order processing cycle; handling credit terms, payment schedules, and consignment and title ownership arrangements. An SCM system must manage communication in all of these areas as part of overseeing the manufacturing process and managing inventory as well as delivery. Four key decisions in SCM related to manufacturing include: location, where should the manufacturing facilities be placed? Inventory, when should an order be placed and how much should be ordered? Production, what should be produced and how much? Transportation, which transportation systems will reduce costs and expedite the delivery process? For organizations that do not have in-house resources to develop an SCM system, several vendors offer comprehensive solutions. Information technologies and internet play a major role in implementing an SCM system. Electronic Data Interchange, EDI, enables businesses and partners to send and receive information on business transactions. By using the internet and established web protocols for the electronic exchange of information, companies can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of supply chain processes. These processes include transaction acknowledgments, financial reporting, invoice payment, order status, purchasing, shipping and receiving, and inventory. Internet-enabled SCM improves information sharing throughout the supply chain, which helps reduce costs for information transmission and improves customer service. An e-marketplace is a third-party exchange that provides a platform for buyers and sellers to interact with each other and trade more efficiently online. Auctions help determine the price of goods and services when there is no set price in the marketplace. An online auction is a straightforward yet revolutionary business concept. Some organizations use reverse auctions, which invite sellers to submit bids for products and services. In other words, there is one buyer and many sellers. A one-to-many relationship is created. Collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment (CPFR) is used to coordinate supply chain members through point-of-sale (POS) data sharing and joint planning. Handling unforeseen problems is called expectation management, and lessons learned during this process can be used in future planning. Customer relationship management consists of processes a company uses to track and organize its contacts with customers. The main goal of a CRM system is to improve services offered to customers and use customer contact information for targeted marketing. Businesses know that keeping and maintaining current customers is less expensive than attracting new customers, and an effective CRM system is useful in meeting this goal. Marketing strategies in a CRM system focus on long-term relationship with customers instead of transactions. To get the most out of these strategies, a CRM system helps organizations make better use of data, information, and knowledge to understand their customers. CRM is more than just tracking and organizing contacts with customers. It gives organizations more complete pictures of their customers. Organizations can also pay external agencies for additional data about their potential customers. The advantages of this include providing services and products that meet customer needs, offering better customer service through multiple channels, and retaining existing customers and attracting new ones. Typically, CRM applications are implemented with one of two approaches: on premise CRMs or web based CRMs. With web based CRMs, the company accesses the application via a web interface instead of running the application on its own computers, and pays for the use of CRM software as a service known as SaaS, which is similar to web hosting services. The SaaS vendor also handles technical issues that come up as part of the CRM maintenance and ongoing support of the system. Personalization is the process building customer relationships and increasing profits by designing goods and services that better meet customers' preferences. It involves not only customers' requests, but also the interaction between customers and the company. Customization, which is somewhat different from personalization, allows customers to modify the standard offering, such as selecting a different home page to be displayed each time a browser is opened. Because of this, customers often experience a more efficient shopping process and, as a result, are less likely to switch to competitors to get similar products and services. To implement a personalization system, several IT tools are needed, including the internet, databases, data warehouse and data marts, data mining tools, mobile networks, and collaborative filtering. One application of collaborative filtering is making automatic predictions about customers' preferences and interests based on similar users. Knowledge management is a technique used to improve CRM systems by identifying, storing, and disseminating facts about tasks. Know how can be explicit knowledge, formal written procedures, or tactic knowledge, personal or informational knowledge. Knowledge is an asset that should be shared throughout an organization to generate business intelligence and maintain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. In this respect, knowledge management shares many of the goals of information management, but is broader in scope because information management tends to focus on just explicit knowledge. Knowledge is more than information and data, it's also contextual. By storing knowledge captured from experts, a knowledge repository can be created for employees to refer to when needed. Knowledge bases also can be used when new products are being designed. Employees might be reluctant to share their expertise because once everybody knows what and how they do it, their value to the organization could be diminished. The Chief Knowledge Officer is responsible for overseeing knowledge management within an organization, an interesting trend in growing CRM uses of organizations today. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, is an integrated system that collects and processes data and coordinates resources, information, and functions across organizations. A typical ERP system has many components, including hardware, software, procedures, and input from all functional areas. Benefits include increased availability, data accuracy, customer satisfaction, as well as employee satisfaction, improved planning, supplier relationships, information reliability, reduced inventory costs, and reduced labor costs. Along with all of its advantages, an ERP system also has some drawbacks, such as high cost, difficulty in installation, a need for extensive training, and compatibility problems with legacy systems. Having modular components is a major factor in the success of ERP systems because it keeps costs down.